The Ilocanchani Weave Patterns actually is an outcome ng isang research project namin sa MMSU College of Arts and Sciences. I'm actually with the math department.
Math.
So, yung mga project namin sa research and extension, merong mga involved ang mga local weaving communities. So, nung kakasimula pa lang nung mga extension projects kasi is parang ang hirap mag-isip ng how you're going to apply mathematics in the real world. Parang ganun. Yun yung challenge namin. Yung idea kasi is not really to push or para magkaroon ng palitan yung mga present na patterns. It's really then to encourage the local weavers to try something new or create or innovate yung patterns na alam na nila. Kasi minsan kung ano yung namana nila, parang yun na yun. Pero meron namang mga weavers na they try to come up with modifications dun sa counting. Kasi may counting kasi na involved dun sa weaving eh. So may mga nagtitry. So yun yung isa rin na pinapasok namin na we try to encourage that you can come up with different patterns pa rin using the same counting. May papalitan ka lang na part.
Ang galing.
So pinipresent namin yung pwedeng gawin, how to innovate yung patterns na alam na nila or kung gusto nilang i-adapt, pwede rin.